Hey guys, glad you're back with me. Hope you're having a great summer so far. You know, lately I've been receiving a lot of emails from you guys about pull-ups. And we all know that the U.S. Marines have a fitness test where they make the pull-up the preeminent upper body exercise and determiner of functional upper body strength. If you're a Marine and you can do 20 consecutive pull-ups or chin-ups or a combination of the two without your feet touching the floor, you earn a perfect score of 100 on the Marine PFT. So that tells you how tough, I mean really tough pull-ups are for most people. Now, another thing that we're going to be discussing is John C. Edmonds. He's the guy I wrote about that set the world record of 117 consecutive repetitions at the age of 66. And get this, John C. did not begin pull-up training until he was 56. And what was it that precipitated him taking up the pull-up as the preeminent upper body exercise? I'll tell you what it was. John C. was suffering from busted up weightlifter syndrome, or as our friend Malcolm would say, stupid training syndrome. Bottom line, he had trained with weights as a very young man, but he literally destroyed his knees and lower back. At age 56, he literally thought that if he continued with the weights, he was going to end up in a wheelchair. This was before joint replacements, my friends. So what he did was he switched to exercises that literally pulled apart or decompressed the lower spine and alleviated pressure on the knees. One exercise that John C. used to develop his awesome pulling strength was the hanging leg raise. And it's got to be done a specific way. And I'm going to show you the specific way to do it. So let me tell you a little bit about this particular exercise. It was the foundational exercise for a course called Legendary Abs several years ago. Some of you may have even had the course. The problem with that course was the bodybuilders hated it because it required that you hang by your hands, full range, and you completed your leg raises trying to touch your feet or even knees to the bar if possible. Now, this was something the bodybuilders hated because with overdevelopment of the thighs and buttocks and so forth, these men simply didn't have the strength to grip the bar for as many repetitions as required. So this exercise not only really strengthens and beautifies the entire abdominal structure, but it's going to give you strength in your forearms, your upper arms, biceps and triceps, literally the full body, so that you can then perform more pull-ups. You'll see why when you start doing this exercise for yourself. So let's take a look at hanging leg raise, exercise number 1 in this series, okay? So, I'll take off my trusty Cossack shirt. Hey guys, not too bad for an old man, huh? All right guys, the hanging leg raise. Grab the bar a comfortable distance. I want your hands to be a comfortable distance apart for you. You should be able to hang like I am here. Now you're going to move your pelvis forward, bring your whole body up, like so. The idea here is to slowly bring the pelvis forward. You're going to contract the lower abdominals, your forearms, biceps, triceps. All of these muscles are going to be in contraction, maintaining your body's alignment, okay? The other thing that you're going to do, and we'll do a few together in just a moment, you're going to slowly lower yourself so that you don't swing. The one thing you don't want to do is swing, particularly a big swing, because that'll be hard on your lower back. So you just want to come down to where you're straight, then you want to swing back up, okay? So let's just do a few together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. As you can see, every muscle is working together synergistically. So, practice your hanging leg raises. Check back with me in another week and we'll take it another step further. Until then, God bless and keep working.